What's good with y'all diggers? We back with another video. Yeah, let's get straight into the 4 laws of power analysis series. Law number 30, 18 more of these gonna be good. And let's get straight into it. Law 30. It says make your success seem effortless. With success you need to make it seem effortless. We humans want to believe things that are in a bigger perspective. When good things come your way and like it was easy equate a God like all around you, people are attracted to that. It's important though to note what pleases the audience because your efforts may be counterproductive. With me, I don't want with this me I don't apply this law because like I feel like it's more like helping you more than yourself, helping you more than others. Which of course that's what the 4 years power does, but like I wanna help people. So if I keep doing tell them that like making it look like my success is effortless, people would think, oh, it's just luck, you know what I'm saying? And they won't be inclined to work on their own things, you know what I'm saying? So that's why. And yeah, like and of course like that would require me to like humble myself, but I know with my successes I'm gonna tell you the story. Like I'll tell you the story from beginning to finish on I got these stuff and all, but like yeah. But if you don't care, this is what you do. If you don't care if someone says, man, like what do you think about if they ask you about your success, just say, you know what I'm saying, like it was bound to happen and just feel good about it. Like you work hard on that, like you know what I'm saying. I just tell them to the effect of like, well, I didn't do that much work, but I did work for it. You know what I'm saying. But like when it says it's important to notice what pleases your audience, because I use your efforts may be unproductive. What it means like if your audience is like me, or you wanna know what you did, the process, then the results. They're more focused about the process than the results. Give them the process. If they wanted more about the results than the process, give them results and keep the process to a minimum. And yeah, you just gotta adapt like that. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's the end of the video. You know what I'm saying? Like 10 videos in for the day. Shit crazy, isn't it? Trying to finish this Laws of Power series. Like, let's get into it. Because I think after Laws of Power, I might actually skip the Laws of Success and Human Nature and overall and just get straight into reaction videos. You know what I'm saying? Give you guys some game and shit like that. And yeah, we'll see what you do. 18 more of these, then we can do. Just comment down below if you're excited and comment down below which videos you want to react to. And we'll see what we can do. Holla back at your boy and never fucking stop grinding. Shit.